Life is so unfair.
What?
How come when it's my turn, we can't see anything? Just a reflection of my teeth. That phone is racist.
Well, I can't help it. I'm a white man. No, so it's a... Oh, is that sound?
That's what I'm saying.
Huh?
That's what I'm saying, that hissing sound at the back. It's like maybe the fire extinguisher. No, it's sitting tightly.
Yeah, well.
Something at the back.
So this is Philippine Rallycross 2024 round 7 rear wheel class, heat 1 and only 1, and after this we go home. Don't challenge the destiny.
At least it took about almost a year of beating before that washer expired.
What?
It took us a lot of beating, about 8 months of racing.
Yeah, until the washer gave up. But it wasn't original, so that's why it gave up. Problems with your idling?
Probably. I know. He said go. late at 7:07.
Dali lang. Sino yung uli? Sino yung uli nag-take off? Si ano, Paulo, no? Saan yun?
Rear wheel yachtman.
What?
Rear wheel.
A real wheel drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, real wheel. RWD.
Ano yung tinapon ni Paulo Santos? Yung uli, ano yung tinapon?
Open yata yun.
Ha?
Open yata.
RWD.
706.
Ah, 706. Paulo Santos, AWD 706.
Oo nga, ito nga yung ano.
Ano nga?
RWD. Ay, real wheel drive.
Oo, ito.
Hey.
Nakuha nyo, AWD Paulo Santos 706.
All wheel drive ba? All wheel drive?
No, rear wheel.
RWD.
Andyan eh. Ayaw hanapin eh.
Na ano?
Bakit? Nasiraan?
Yes. Alright. Thank you.
Okay. Ano? Hold.
Oo, ano ba na?
Wait. Hold.
Paulo Santos, ano?
May ano?
Side, ano? Have a problem.
I have a problem, Paulo Santos.
Okay.
Okay.
Engines have my problem.
Okay.
No worries.
Marami na nga yan sa'yo.
Paulo Santos siya tayo, ma'am. Itong tumigil.
This is your pen.
Okay, it's Ate Merns.
Ah.
Ma'am, Mike Reyes 702 nag-take off AWD. Mike Reyes 702. Isama mo nga yung isang tanggal. Isama mo yung
Ewan.
isang tanggal, sir.
Let's drive.
Yeah, that's no problem. This is just the normal headlights, right?
Hold na kami.
No, this is with extra
Sir
light.
Mike
Mm.
Reyes, ang 702. Mike Reyes. Ano si Mike Reyes? UB, AWD. Pick up, hindi ito. Yung RWD. Asan na ba yung RWD? Ito yung RWD. Oh. Ito, open. Diyan, sama mo yan dyan. Open, RWD, AWD. Magkakasama. Kahit sa una mo lang lagay, sir.
Kasi parehas siya. Yung pinalis mo na nga isa.
Alin ba yung mali? Ito. Asan na yung isa? Open, AWD, RWD. Ayan. 702. Ayun, Mike Reyes. Stop, ano na? Kumusta na dyan? Stop kami ni stop. Marquez 638.
6 minutes.
Buha mo ko ha.
You should time me when I was looking for the washer. That was fast.
Sir Ronnie, kailangan yata ng tulong ni Sir Paulo. Nasa stop, nakatigil sa stop.
Sir,
Come in.
Looks like you need to
Okay.
give way to the safety car.
Saan dumaan? Bakit? Bakit ang pin?
Bad decision. Now the safety car needs assistance.
Sa kabila, papatrasin ko na lang. Sir, can we backward? Thank you, sir. Ilalabas lang yung sasakay niya, no? Ano yung sasabi mo? Mampin.
yung start time po ni Ivan Marquez, 6:38.
Oo ma'am, 6:38 Ivan Marquez open class.
Okay po, copy.
Gusto mo mag-ano tayo ng lahatan para dire-diretso ka?
Okay daw, sir.
Ivan Marquez open class, Ivan Marquez 638, Ricardo Diliano 658, GC Ligaya 656, Mike Reyes 644, Paulo Santos 652, Ralph Ramento 642, Lord de la Cruz 636. Kopya nyo?
Opo, sir.
AWD Mike Reyes 702. Yun lang. RWD JJ Hatinen 709.
Di pa nakatakbo yan.
Ha?
Di pa na.
Ay, sorry. Ito pala. Wala pa. June Magno 704.
I'm still here.
RWD. Sorry.
Okay po, sir.
Damn, this is the lowest I ever raced.
Baka may time ni Ivan Marquez.
Ang group 3, kailangan nyo? Ano, group 3,
Nice
wala
tattoo.
na. Group 3, group 4, group 1, group 2, wala na. Ampin.
Wala kaming ibang problema sa, sir, kay Ivan Marquez lang sa open class. Wala kaming time.
Bakit kayo nawala ng time?
Kung kasi kung 6:38 siya,
40 dapat siya.
ano oras ang take off nun? Finish nun?
Ang
Practical joke. 3, 2, 1, go. Sorry, no, not yet. Where do you think you're going?
Palabas pa lang daw. Palabas pa lang.
Dati kasi nakapagkaroon ng pagpang. Dito pa lang,
I took my extra racing light with me.
Okay, sige nga palabas pa lang. Oh, ano natin?
ano, 6:20.
7 lang. 27.
27.
Kaya?
Yeah, it's alright.
That's alright. 7:27. Okay, another membership. Okay.
Thank you.
Count.
30 seconds!
Tatakbo na yung kotse dito sa start.
20 seconds! 10 seconds!
Ready?
Yep.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's see if we see where he went out and had a problem with the car.
Mhm. Because it's tight corners and there's vibrations and corners.
Huh? Vibration?
Because there's a lot of tight corners and then vibrations. That's why you're
Yeah, but I'm talking about
Santo Paulo.
Yeah, if you see where he went out.
okay. They say in the on the stop sign,
Stop sign?
the finish line.
Ah, okay.
Maybe after the getting the time and it's idling down.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I try to not to stress this car too much. I have to see how that tie rod fixing is holding. So
307. Yeah, because it's shorter.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So that was Philippine Rallycross round 7, heat 1 in rear wheel class RJJ, and that's how we end this 2024 season for our part, because I don't want to stress this car anymore. I have to check that everything is okay before next race. Thank you everyone, see you later, bye.